Ever wondered why smart contracts are being hailed as the backbone of Web3 space? Well, the answer lies in their ability to automate transactions, reduce friction, and bring about a new level of transparency and trust. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of smart contracts, and by the end of this discourse, you'll have a clear roadmap to create one yourself. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They exist across a decentralized blockchain network, and they automatically execute transactions once predetermined conditions are met. Imagine a vending machine. You insert a coin, select your snack, and the machine delivers it. No need for a shopkeeper. That's how a smart contract works, just on a much grander scale and in the digital world. Now, how do you create a smart contract? The process can be broken down into 4 easy-to-understand steps. Step 1, choose the appropriate blockchain platform. Ethereum is a popular choice because it was the first to offer smart contracts, but others like Binance Smart Chain or Polkadot are also viable options. Each platform has its own programming language for creating smart contracts, so choose wisely. Ethereum, for instance, uses Solidity. Step 2, learn the programming language of your chosen platform. You don't need to be a coding wizard, but familiarity with the basics is essential. There are plenty of resources available online to help you grasp the nuances of languages like Solidity or Rust. Step 3, write your smart contract. This is where you define the rules and conditions of your contract. Be meticulous, as once a smart contract is deployed, it cannot be altered. Step 4, deploy the smart contract on the blockchain. This is done by sending a transaction from your account containing the contract's code. Once the transaction is confirmed, your contract is live on the blockchain and ready to execute as per the defined conditions. Let's summarize what we've covered today. Smart contracts, pivotal for the Web3 space, automate transactions, reducing friction and fostering transparency and trust. Creating a smart contract involves 4 steps: choosing the right blockchain platform, learning its programming language, writing the smart contract, and finally, deploying it on the blockchain. Remember, the blockchain world is vast and constantly evolving, so keep learning and experimenting. In the grand scheme of the digital world, smart contracts are a relatively new player, but their potential to revolutionize industries is undeniable. So, step into the world of smart contracts and witness how they're shaping the future of transactions.